So we're on our way to Fat Sully's New York Pizza. I guess it opened up very recently downtown. My best friend was telling me about it. I'm like, and the pizzas are like that big. So we're gonna check it out.
You know, I've always wanted a piece of pizza that's like the size of my body.
Yeah?
I want a piece of pizza that's the size of my body. That's really what I want.
Yeah.
I've always wanted it my entire life. Good New York style piece of pizza. Like the size of my entire body. Plenty of fuel now.
Sweet. Let's go. So before pizza, we are going through the car wash real quick because this bad boy needs it.
It's dirty.
Yes.
Oh, I love having a clean truck.
Truck is clean, off to pizza.
Pizza?
Pizza. Alright, so we are on our way in. Park the truck. And we're walking in. You ready, buddy? You excited, hon?
I'll be excited once I get it.
So we got a split pizza. Sam got Canadian bacon and Italian sausage, and I got olives, onions, mushrooms, and garlic. All right, so we are back home. We got our... So we are back home, and here's just one slice for comparison.
That looks really nice. Helen, do you know how easy
Sam's talking to his mom,
Oh, by the way,
but we're really excited. Look how big this is. That's one slice. All right. Today, Sam and I helped Julie.
Okay. My name's not Julie, for one.
So today, Sam and I helped Julia, my sister, and her husband Chase moved some last minute stuff. And so today there's a Broncos game going on. So the guys are at home and us girls are going off to Ikea. And we're also going by Dutch Bros. It's Julia's first time.
So it's gonna be free.
Yes.
That's what everybody's told
But
me.
either way, it's gonna be free for you because I'm paying for you.
Oh, okay.
If it's not free. But it's
Better
gonna be
be free.
Julia's first time. So pretty excited for her. You know what you're gonna get? Can I have a taste?
Yeah. Look at the sprinkles.
Look at
Sprinkle,
those.
sprinkle, sprinkle.
Let me see.
I like chewing on the sprinkles.
Oh my gosh.
It's so good.
That's straight up funfetti cake butter. So we got our Dutch Bros. She got our funfetti one. Ooh, I'm so sorry.
That's why I'm wearing a hat.
And let's see.
It's got a...
I got this one here. I'm trying to get it in the light. There we go. So this is a double chocolate cold brew, and
It's just straight chocolate.
it's dark chocolate and coffee, and it's so freaking good.
They're nice there.
Yeah, they're so nice, aren't they? So now we got our coffee and we are on our way to Denver to Ikea to see if we can find any deals. How'd that go?
I'm not doing it.
You're not gonna do it? Okay.
No.
Let's try that again.
I don't know what I just did there.
Meh. We're at Ikea.
We're at Ikea.
We're at Ikea. So let's go in and start shopping. Woo! You are.
At this point, walking through the showroom, we were pretty tired and trying to make it down to the marketplace, where many items that were found in displays would be stocked in bulk for purchase, which is where I grabbed some dining chair cushions and some storage containers for an IKEA cubby we already have at home. This as-is corner is right by checkout, and it is stocked with return items that either didn't work out, are broken, or had missing pieces. It is also a discounted area that has up to 50% marked down items. There are also some pieces of wood or metal in the back area that are for creative projects or whatever you're choosing.
We're done. Bye, Ikea. So I am on my way up to the Denver area to go to a wedding right now.
Laws of the state of Colorado, I pronounce that you are husband and wife together in the name of the Father and of the Son and of the Holy Spirit. Those that God has joined together, let no man separate. Isaac, you may kiss your bride. It is my great honor to present to you
While we waited for the bride and groom to finish with their pictures, I took a step outside to get a glimpse of this beautiful sunset.
Yay! Come here!
Okay.
Kinsley! She's
The
married!
bride!
Yes.
Oh, you're taking a video. I
Yes,
thought
I
you were
am.
taking a photo.
No, no,
Is
I'm
this
not.
for
Yes.
Sam?
Yes.
Hi, Sam!
Well, that was fun. So that was one out of 2 weddings we have this month. We have another one coming up for our friends Maddie and Brittany, whom you met earlier on Sam's birthday. So I'm going to go ahead and close out this video here. Thank you for dropping by and hanging out with us. Be sure to subscribe, and we will see you next time.